tuwa hitu ya Kampala eturu finally twaruga Fort Bell twahika floating floating island eche tubuza lwaki bahitaho floating island
lwaki bahitaho floating island anti kati wano nawo tuli they use those Rwenzori empty bottles zino za Rwenzori ezo nga temuli mazzi naye ziri empty so they use it as floaters babuteka wansi ngenda genda erimbala genda sample
so babuteka wansi olaba kanti mpulire nyoni ntina nimbasa gwayo kati rasta bakintana go to race
zamanya matufu bamita mugume numani
mugume wasibuta
ndiaho nogamba chamagara nyo hadi ajo
ira watu buzabuza kumbari mugume chechi kira chita mugume kuja
hadi anyowe nowenka kakura mapi kumurax tata kama mumse then after una mazilisi
ririya tureta owa kamera nanisha bwereke irya turya mugume riba tureta mukuruga Port Bell kuja kushikaha a floating island kandi twashanga ngo floating island ekakurwa obucupa bwa Rwenzori empty so nico bajetire floating island
ati ya ekintu basabaye gende how will island
fine
I came up and doing my thing. Yo,
Morris, let's come on here. Kadecheri wewe. Olaba. Ino. Chupa. Ustegera. Olaba jita floating bar. Ustegera. You now and see. They made it like this. You get. These are empty bottles.
So ita one. Yeah. Barike. You got me with me.
watu twagara
Kano floating.
chechareta floating island
Yo Morris, kendereza mukatono. Kendereza mukatono. Walo chendiko wano. Chibanda wakamera bya kisi. Yozolaba wona wano. Waliwo buchupa wansinga bo. Kutaka waliwo.
yeah ati so ahona bakataho bucupa hansari ya mizi once bari ya mazi kari bakwata empty bottles
never take mbuchi
mubukutia yeah
that's why it's able to float on land. Man, my brother, come and explain to this
chobora badita floating island.
That's the manager.
Oh, the manager.
He's called Morris.
How are we?
So Morris, we are happy to meet you.
Thank you very much.
For me, I'm called Bayazin ZJ. I come from Barra in Western Uganda.
You have some TV.
And I work on Nkore Media television. So there in Barra, we wanted to come and visit you. We survey. And next time we come with report. Yeah, we come with people, and even people there watching us, they may come and wish to be here. Part of you wish to enjoy their life here, and we wanted to know how did it come to be island. Our friend, I told us this empty bottle. Yeah.
This is a man-made thing. So it was an idea they got an idea from Lake Halbert. Back in the days, fishermen used to use the pirates. They joined the pirates and go for fishing for like a month. So they brought this idea of recycling bottles. This is part of environmental projects.
So from this one they have made this thing from here up here where
all the wooden structures you see, it is tied on the mainland. It can drift.
That's why I think this rock
This rock. The one holding on eucalyptus.
from there.
Yes.
Okay, thank you more. Wait. So from
the bottle.
this is what is holding all over here.
9 tons of plastic bottles.
So abarevi bitu bankora media fayo tujyaha ari floating island ari Victoria kuruga Port Bell twarugana mugume owatureta aha. So twashanga ngo eje island ekakurwa ubucupa bwa empty bakija batayinga kuruga hari tuza kugaho. Okay. So ikirunje kibyataro n'abashuma. So kuba kozoro bucupo babutambu kutiya basiba so bashobora people are enjoying. People are enjoying.
Yeah, having fun. We have
fun. So our camera is out. How are you? So wano wenyimide wava
ejo ona waliwo uchupa down pondiada okutunda chikubyonna magana selling what both That's the owner.
Sasa kunka nyoweni nyetwa pea zeme zedikani kula na Mkore Media TV yumu Eastern Uganda twijire kusurveyinga no kurambura and ekirundi kitwaika kuri ogomwa bimugume yatujyango hanta hapa muri because we survey to a group y'abana pangwe kurambura na tuwazi kandi tugeza no kujumbura emyanya kugereka abantu kuje bagambe muri rusogo rumyashaka akwantu sinzira mbara mbara cyari yes no yatugambira ngo you're the owner of here kaija batugambira akantu kacha ka history how this one was born. So twara root kidyat twagicinga nanisha ubanzo turamusyo igera kuri wa kamera igera kuri so twakushimira floating island. So floating, you can synthetic floating. Tani kumi nizo zakozera moda
kozesa omwanya ogwo
mukare umwanya go kwita mwashara mwakoza this system of recycling
ko kombe kenjo kuri kosa amacupa kola wetland kozesa amacupa.
Okay, this is amazing and really chanshemeza munonga kuja kufika ukana shanga na logic y'umwakozesa eri nunje munonga so kikumaje idea wajeresere nini
idea kazitandika 2017 bw'obulambuzi maze emyaka mingi.
So maze rugendo 2 years. So no gambo runyankore no gankore.
Sagiza
Ukunjire no mukiga witu namugwireho hanuya so nyoni nduga ntunga mano bakunzara. So nashemerwa munonga ku ati nantakumangora kuno. Kati kunkika yunkashanga umuntu nkiyo yene kintu cyo innovatingire ukakore kintu kiti kinshemeza munonga kati nyongera mane ko mwana muto kugira ngo nanye nimbasa kujete nahangaho kibe different kati dire cyayongera wahina tinkumanya nusha island zinka kuno emyanya keji yo kuchakarira makuba no mwago kuchakarira no kumurira
inacyo kiriho abo mwanya bwo mwaka kushana ko pole pole cyane. Mwanya bwana emziye na ke plant says ni kuchikama mwicho chona
ni etisibira
general isibane manero ndamizi.
Okay. Tinkumanya etina ndeza kwenda kubuza neti enyanye je yo kumura muno kuchakarira makija ya chingwa bwa corona tinkumanya ugumwanya how did it come to be affected mwene gukanyigirira bwa think mukunda
ati ili nkeriato eriato itwa fishing tukora fishing so kuguma hono
guma sabantu nibija kora
bija kaba private guests kuja kuli open ka officially kuja bija kaba plan virtual bandi banke chokuya
so hari uno burara aho umuntu yija kugira ngo
buraro shana call captains.
Okay, like this one. Kwa camera banzo bereke buraro burya how life becomes enjoyable wahika byanya nkiji. So umuntu ryo kutakajire kurambara ningo takatambire wahika Kampala okija hano hatinga
floating beach
afro wahika Lake Victoria no basaka amwaro gono burashiro ryo tintwara floating beach kose nakanya kari popura bugumwe na basaka no basakwijo humureho ofiteho twavuga nawe umukije bakwita James Nazarwa muri rukunjire ni we
cyashemeza muno
so diye muswaga so nkore media yero kumanirita ekinte cyukusinga yo ecyota kuteka ngukiro so nitutoba innovative tukumukira urukunjire kabaciga twakugira amagezi no so umwami James nani nshabo osibura abaye bitu bagambe ndutubasa no basa no kongera kubaragira kubanyo no murundo bwo kubanza kustepinga kakuna iko nimpurana ati nchiteteme bidere koje kumangunyemerira higuru ya mizi akuba mushangu nakabasa kufumuka ngweyo
tiakafumuka ganda machupa ga series garben galbo na komika tikujango no basa kusinki na machupa anyanja tigamanya ntwata basa kustamisa abantu kiga
nan
yaza shimura kitanda kinyanja
kitambura
bachukamisa
okay nataka chinjira hoka hariyo naka so banzorazi yakachuwa kana so echo chinte chitwemeriro nchibasa kutambura kuruga kigaruka gakinyanya negyato kwa ryo na ndigaya nsabo. This is very amazing and interesting. Oh, so muntu takatambire kwika Kampala takajira floating beach. So ine chinte cyo kuverwa munonga ahora afunire maka sente ka make sure ngo watambara gushaka Kampala wakawa floating beach wakare mugume yakuvuga yakureta mugume cyashaka kwenda matika one namba yesi ujo ndishoma odishomera twakweza nyendo dishome ogumareta abantu
so you're using which for that case file in that case so the number is 0771365799 you will repeat it another time 771365799 when you come on Port Bell just ask for Pablo or Mugume
wake up Port Bell buza Mugume buza Pablo so Mr. James nanisha sibure
yakura barukunjiri
yakure ona barukunjira abo muka so
basonko
bona basonko so umwami sonko ni twafuna yo munyarukunjira mutayi wito ndijo bamushana bona abantu barukundire barumune baba man twanturugare MZDK wabuyanja ombasheki na nabandi bingi. So finally twagwari mugumena ho no munyakundiri cyatushemeza mununga. So nanisha obasibure turamuseho
Mwebale ayayira mwena babyana
Ankole Media.
babachira
Webare muno orunyankole kamwe banchirebe kakinje kare. We forgot the language. Hey, when did you last go to Western Uganda?
Western Uganda I passed.
You passed the room, but you don't go there.
I do.
Like I do. If you recall very well, like in 1880 something.
I was there about 2 months ago.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Turimo tutambura mpora ntoyongera twashemerwa munonga kushanga tukiri hamwe oine Beyazin na nyene DM Swaga engineer Duncan nabandi binji abitukwijagaruka nabo floating beach kurugeri zoba norunako rundi badonize tuwa Asman. Get ready, we shall come here and we enjoy some ride for good 2 days, like maybe or 1 week, because there will be kurara haru. So we shall come. Thanks for your time. We respect everything and we are happy for this one, really.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Enjoy the weekend.
Yeah.